Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel where we turn ordinary houses into extraordinary homes. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are stepping into the fascinating world of Scandinavian modular homes. This innovative approach to housing combines the timeless elegance of Nordic design with the speed, precision, and sustainability of modern modular construction. If you've ever dreamed of a light-filled, functional, and environmentally friendly home that can be built in a fraction of the time, compared to traditional builds, then you are in the right place. In this video, we will explore what makes Scandinavian modular homes so special, the primary benefits of building one, how to curate your exterior for maximum curb appeal, and the top 10 best design ideas to inspire your next project. To understand Scandinavian modular homes design, we have to look at the union of two distinct principles: modular engineering and Scandinavian design philosophy. At its core, modular construction means that a home is built in standardized sections or modules inside a climate-controlled factory environment before being transported and assembled on-site. When this efficient building methodology adopts a Scandinavian design aesthetic, the focus shifts toward functional minimalism, a deep connection to nature and effortless elegance. Scandinavian design prioritizes clean lines, uncluttered layouts, light color palettes, and organic materials like wood and stone. Therefore, a Scandinavian modular home is a prefabricated dwelling that seamlessly balances structural efficiency, environmental sustainability, and a warm, minimalist Nordic living experience. The benefits of choosing a Scandinavian modular home extend far beyond just good looks, offering significant advantages in construction quality, energy efficiency, and cost predictability. Because the individual modules are built indoors inside a controlled factory setting, weather delays and material moisture damage are completely eliminated, ensuring tight quality control and faster overall project completion. Furthermore, factory-based precision engineering drastically reduces construction waste, making modular homes an eco-friendly choice from day one. When combined with Scandinavian design standards, these homes inherently feature high-performance insulation, triple glazed windows, and passive solar orientation, resulting in exceptionally low heating and cooling costs. Lastly, the streamlined manufacturing process often reduces labor costs and site overheads, giving homeowners a high-end architectural finish with a predictable timeline and budget. Decorating and finishing the exterior of a Scandinavian modular home requires a subtle approach that accentuates clean architectural lines while blending naturally with the surrounding landscape. To create an elevated look, start by choosing high-quality natural wood siding, such as vertical cedar, larch, or pine, which can be left untreated to weather gracefully or finished with dark stains for a moody contrast. Incorporating contrasting elements like matte black window frames, metal roofing, or dark-toned entryway accents adds visual depth without overwhelming the minimalist aesthetic. Soften the structure's crisp geometry by integrating native greenery, gravel pathways, large natural boulders, and simple timber decking that creates an effortless transition between indoor and outdoor living. Finally, opt for low-profile, warm-toned exterior light fixtures that highlight architectural features at night while maintaining a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. To achieve an authentic Scandinavian modular home aesthetic, several key design elements must be seamlessly integrated into both the exterior and interior spaces. Natural light is paramount, so expansive floor-to-ceiling windows, soaring gabled glass walls, and strategically placed skylights are essential for bringing the outdoors in and maximizing daylight during winter months. Materiality also plays a crucial role. Light-toned woods like ash, oak, pine, and birch should feature prominently across wall paneling, structural beams, and flooring to instill organic warmth. In terms of color palettes, neutral tones such as soft whites, cool grays, beige, and muted earth shades establish a calm and airy backdrop. Lastly, structural minimalism, Characterized by steep gabled roofs, concealed gutters, sleek metal seams, and open-plan layouts free of unnecessary ornamentation, defines the timeless functionality that lies at the heart of Nordic architecture. Now, let's look at some stunning inspiration. Here are the top 10 best Scandinavian modular homes design ideas that you can use for your next project. One, twin gabled glass pavilion. This spectacular modular design features two connected gabled structures clad in crisp white siding with sleek black window framing. The striking floor-to-ceiling glass walls completely open up the interior living spaces to the surrounding lawn, flooding the home with natural light while providing a seamless connection to an integrated covered porch. 2. Vertical timber urban gable. Showcasing a classic Nordic gabled silhouette, this home relies on warm vertical wood slatting to build texture and modern character. Deep-set rectangular windows cut precisely into the timber facade offer optimal indoor privacy while maintaining a clean, minimalist exterior footprint suitable for urban or suburban lots. 3. Two-story woodland retreat. A two-story modular structure built on a sloped site featuring light natural wood cladding and a practical sloped roof design. Large upper floor glass windows capture sweeping elevated views of the landscape, while a simple sail shade over a gravel patio creates an inviting, low-maintenance outdoor lounge area. 4. Contemporary multi-level barn. Combining industrial and Nordic elements, this impressive modular home utilizes a mix of dark corrugated metal siding, smooth light gray panels, and floor-to-ceiling glass. Open floor plans, large upper balconies, and an exposed lower-level house a modern living room, home office, and even a piano space. 5. Black cedar triple gable cluster. Featuring 3 repeating gable modules clad in dark stained vertical timber, this home makes a bold architectural statement. The stark dark exterior is balanced by oversized glass sliding doors and gabled transom windows that reveal warm light wood interiors and seamless covered outdoor dining areas. 6. Longhouse meadow cabin. Inspired by traditional Scandinavian longhouses, this single-story modular home features pale natural wood siding beneath a low-profile dark metal roof. Expansive sliding glass doors line the front facade, opening directly onto a gravel pathway and a field of wild daisies with a majestic mountain backdrop. 7. Modern dark siding family home. A modern interpretation of suburban family living, this grand two-story modular home couples deep charcoal vertical siding with warm timber accent posts and stone masonry. Symmetrical gabled roofs, floor-to-ceiling glass stairwell windows, and double front entrance doors create an elegant curb appeal. 8. Black Slat City Modular. Designed for compact urban living, this sharp two-story design combines matte black horizontal siding with a flat roof garage module. Warm interior wood accents, yellow patio seating, and framed box windows provide vibrant pops of warmth against the dark, moody exterior cladding. 9. Copper-tone modern A-frame cabin. A compact modular cabin clad in low-maintenance copper gold metal standing seam panels that beautifully reflect natural light. The front gable end features deep wooden overhangs, recessed warm lighting, and a cozy built-in porch overlooking rolling green pasturelands. 10. Panoramic Alpine Open Gable Villa. This expansive single-story modular residence features a dramatic open gable overhang that houses an integrated outdoor kitchen and lounge area. The light timber siding, polished concrete patio, and full-height sliding glass doors capture stunning uninhibited views of alpine mountains and flower meadows. As we've seen, Scandinavian modular homes design offers a compelling look into the future of modern residential architecture. By combining factory-built efficiency, sustainable building materials, and the comforting simplicity of Nordic minimalism, These homes prove that you don't have to choose between fast construction and beautiful, functional design. If you found these design concepts inspiring, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Better Homes Designs, and click the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming house tours and architectural guides. Which of these top 10 Scandinavian modular designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.